Welcome to today's tutorial. Basically, I'll be running down what the Dukan Purchase Management tool allows you to do. So we created this technology based on a problem we saw in this industry. The problem we saw was the physical books. We wanted to create a tool which digitized this whole process because we know that carrying physical books and maintaining physical books is often a hassle faced by many companies in this industry. And we wanted to see, can we do it effectively and efficiently? And I'll be running down the features of this tool and also how it can help your company be more efficient and be more effective when dealing with customer purchases. All right, let me run down an example of what our software does. Let's just make sure things loaded. Okay. So for example, you send this link to your customer. So the customer would have to fill out their name. Let me just do and then address 22 Kisby. Let me just do this. Admin ID number. Alright. Choose photo ID. I'll just put the company logo, but you can see how it could be used for someone else to take a picture of their own ID. So this feature here, send me a copy of the receipt. Basically, this sends the customer the copy of this form itself, agreeing that they have indeed sold this vehicle to the company listed above. So I'm going to click that. Okay, see, here is where the vehicle's details comes. So if they have, let's say, a Jeep, and we select the model, the body type Ute, and then the rego, let's just do AT, and then VIN number 7A, and then engine, let's say TD27, a car year, let's just do 2011, purchase price, let's just do 300. Is financed? No, it's not financed. Okay, here they have to read this terms and conditions, and so signing accordingly. So we've got to check everything is correct. Yes, yes, yes. They can also subscribe to your newsletter if you have one. Okay, submit. And so this form will submit to your okay, here you can ask them how they hear about you. So Google, this allows you to sort of understand, where is your customers mostly coming from. It's often hard to track down, does your marketing really work without getting enough feedback. So once the form is submitted, you can go to your backend portal, and then this login link would be in this URL, dukan.co.nz, and then you just log in. Okay, and it shows, this is the dashboard. The dashboard has the daily vehicles purchased, the daily amount, total purchases overall, and then the total amount. So here you can see some graphs. They're basic graphs to show you the common vehicles you bought. Okay, see all your customers bought it from Google advertisement or SEO. Okay, so I want to go check the actual form. So Bob Thomas, this is the form we submitted. So I want to go view. All right, when I go view, I can sort of see everything. I can see his details. I can see his signature, the vehicle details. I can also add payment. So let's say your driver went and paid the guy. So let's just say we paid him 300, and that was cash. And I'm gonna do the reference would be driver. Let's say Peter. Peter paid. Okay, and I'm gonna add that there. So this way you can keep track of who's paid what and when. All right. So here on the top you can see that the stolen vehicle check was done on Wednesday 20th at 9:41 a.m. So what this allows you to do is that it allows you to verify that at this day, at this time, you have checked everything. So in case of any mistakes, in case of just anything going wrong, you just have this proof. A money owing check done. This is just if they clicked it or not. So you're sure that they haven't done it. So we can also download it as PDF if you want to save it to your own files. Basically, it will have everything as it is here. Okay, so this is fairly easy. We've just digitized this whole purchase record. It just makes it much more manageable. So I want to go to here. See, let me say, I wanted to find a certain vehicle. Let's just say, I had a Rego and I want to find it. So you can search via the name of the person. So if I wanted to search by Bob, and default Bob Thomas comes here. If I wanted to search via make, model, or year, or Rego, I could, or even purchase ID, I could. I could also search through a filtered date, so start date to end date. This just allows you to manage everything a lot better. And so this is just a very, very easy tool. So I want to go back to the dashboard. So there's another very, very good tool I want to show you, is that your accountants no longer have to do data entry, because everything will be set for them in terms of collecting things for tax purposes. For example, I want to make sure I have the whole month, all the purchase records for this whole month. So I want to submit for GST claim, whatever, and so I want to download this purchase. So wait for it. Okay. Just take a bit of time. Okay. See, we have here all the details, so we can actually see everything. So the date that vehicle was bought, the particular, so the reference number, the amount, the GST on that vehicle, the total excluding GST, the payment type, the reference. As you can see, accountants usually have to spend hours every week trying to transcribe the book to a digital record. We've just done this in 2 seconds. This tool will really save your accountant time, and then save the company time and money. And we think it's very powerful that every company starts digitizing everything, because it is the future, and we're here to help you with the future. So another great tool is the Stolen Vehicles Registrar. So our stolen vehicles database gets updated every day. And so here on this portal, you can see any vehicles that are flagged. For example, you buy a vehicle now, and then a few months down the line it gets flagged. You will know instantly which vehicle, who you bought it where, who you bought it from, the date, everything will be right there. So this just allows you everything. And also you can log out. Everything is secure without a login details. No one can get in, no one can access your information. So everything is secure. Our databases are all backed up every hour, so do not worry about losing any data, because it's covered. So yes, this is the feature, and we'd really appreciate your feedback and anything you have to say. Thank you.